welcome in. We are getting ready for our curriculum night, which is kind of like also our open house. That's tomorrow, Saturday, February 1st from 5 to 7. We've kind of prepped everything to give a glimpse so y'all can see what you're going to get. Then we got to break it down for classes. But this is for the first couple of customers that come in. Their family, they get a swag bag. We have a little bit of Threaded from Heaven water bottle. Since our theme is around the world, they get a passport book. There's some stickers in there that they can create their own. Kind of like their sewing journey, or even just a journey for this coming summer that's coming up, their travels, so they can document them. Also, I'm sorry, there's also, for some of them, they have a journal in there also, which they can keep track of. So come on in. Let's take a quick little peek. So we do have 2 giveaways where the adults can win a 1-hour intro class. The kids can win a drop-in class. All they have to do is scan the QR code, fill in the information, and they have a chance to win. We'll also be during the time giving away our Become a Designer t-shirts, and we have a beautiful swag bag, tote bag to keep all your belongings in there for you as well. So while you're here, of course, let me turn around over here. Woo! Okay, our Become a Designer class, of course, for 2025, Around the World is our theme this year. Everyone that is in our sewing classes can participate in our fashion show, which is May 18th. May 18th. It's a Sunday. So check that out. These are just to show the quality of what we use for tools to teach the kids to do their designs. They have great paper. We have our color swatches. So we're just setting things up, but of course around the world for them to check it out and of course sign up. Summer camp, since we're right over here, we're getting ready for summer camp. For the first couple of people that sign up, they will get a water bottle. But our camps are original because kids choose. No 2 weeks or no theme week. The kids come choose what project they'd like to make, and they sew that based on their sewing level. So this is just showing you some of the projects that were made last year. We'll be putting up the projects that the kids can make this year as well. Some are repeat, some are new. And then we're gonna jump back to some of the other offerings that Threaded from Heaven has. So we do scout troops. We're gonna roll a little quicker. Birthday parties for all ages. Teen Sewing Lab. Our Kids Learn to Sew program. Our Little Stitchers where they hand sew. We have crochet classes with a certified teacher for kids and adults. There we're back on that side. And we cannot forget our adults classes. This is one of the bags I was working on for our bag class where we get used to working with a zipper. You're gonna see me wear this on, what is it? We have a gala that I'm going to, and this is the bag I'm gonna be sporting. So just wanna show you that. We've got a couple of blank spots that we're filling in. We do our holiday market every year. This way you can learn about that. Our Kid Entrepreneur Night, that is what leads into the holiday market. So this way you're able to get a nut, what is it? Not a nut shot, but a snapshot of everything that we offer. And there's always something new, but the best way to find out and to meet our instructors is to come to our open house. So I hope you join us tomorrow. I know, I'm excited. Tomorrow, 5 to 7, we're gonna have popcorn, music. The instructors will be here. You'll be able to meet, ask questions, and sign up, of course. We hope to see you tomorrow. Thank you.